What's going on, guys? It is a beautiful day to ride here in the great state of Missouri. Welcome to the YouTube channel, Mo Rippin'. Today I'm gonna be riding my freshly restored 89 Honda CR250. Also got the CR125 here and the 2020 Hawk DLX that we got off Amazon. Check out the video on that. But today's about the 250. So, cool story about this bike. Oh, kind of cool. Kind of sucked. I bought it for $1,000 from a guy, and the piston shat the same day. So, I hit up the guy. He offered to give me my money back and take back the bike. But I said, hey, you know what? I'll give you $250 for it. And he said, okay. He wanted it gone, and I wanted a bike. Let's check this thing out. So, full engine rebuild on this. Had the cylinder done by Millennium Technologies. Original plastics, just kind of shined them up, put new stickers on them. Got a tusk shifter here. We got a armadillo pipe guard. And some aluminum radiators instead of the plastic ones. So this bike is a blast. It is mean. I know it's a little dirty right now, but you know, I don't really care. I ride it to have fun, not to turn any heads. It's a little rough around the edges right now. I was in a little accident the other day. Pulled up a wheelie a little too hard and cracked this. Little cracks here, but you know, whatever. It's plastic. It's made to be broke. We also got an aftermarket FMF turbo core or some silencer because my old one fell off, and this bike's name is King Kurama. I named it after Kurama, the nine-tailed fox on Naruto. But let's get into it. See if this baby will start first kick today. Not first. Second though. Second's a charm. Absolute smoke show, and she chugs gas. So yeah, we're gonna do some trail riding. I'll open her up in the field for you guys, but first we gotta warm her up. So my neighbors hate when I ride this thing because it is so obnoxiously loud, but I love it and I really don't care what they think. So I like to warm up my bike just by taking it easy for 5-10 minutes, maybe giving her a couple small pulls before I really start laying into her. Just stormed here, so it's a little muddy, but a little mud ain't gonna stop this bad boy, that's for damn sure. I know my video quality ain't the best. I'm actually filming on the original GoPro, so I know I'm gonna get a new camera here soon, but I just started this channel. I assume most of you are, because I only have like 30 subscribers right now. It's called Mo Rippin' because we're Missouri boys and we love to rip things, anything with the motor. We call it rippin'. So Mo Rippin', Missouri boys, Mo Rippin'. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go hit this trail over here. may notice my handlebars are black. That's because same time I damaged that fender, you know, looping out a wheelie, it also bent the fuck out of my handlebars, and I needed a new set. This creek here, go this way. It's a little muddy, a little rocky, can be a little scary sometimes. Woo! See a couple deer back there. Why don't we show them what King Kerma's about? Run, boy! Yeah! Be gone. They just mowed this field actually. It's been tall all summer. Which means I can ride it again. I always get a bunch of fucking grass on my bike when I come up here though. So nice out. It's been like 95 all week. Just rained, so we're sitting at about 75 right now. Love it. I guess it's probably warmed up enough to open her up. What do you think? Here, so let's start from first. Our first gear. Down there running out of field. Look at that smoke. This puppy does not like to go slow. It's just I always got to give it gas at the low RPM. I think trail riding's a bit tricky, but ain't too bad. This field right here is usually where I like to practice my wheelies. I ain't great yet, I ain't gonna lie, but I've been getting better. It's a little slick, so let me see if I can pop a little one. Second gear. A little baby wheelie. Let's try it again. Woo, a little bit better. Honestly, I'm kind of afraid to do wheelies after my one loop out. You guys should really check that out because it's kind of nasty. So the thing with these old 89s, right, is their suspension sucks. I mean, I rebuilt the fucking rear shock and everything, and the front fork's rebuilt by the guy who I bought it from, but, you know, it still ain't great. Man, the power band on this thing is just crazy. Let's see if I do another wheelie. A little slick, the tires just spinning. Do one more, do one more. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Got tons of low end power for a two-stroke, man. Now let's hit these trails. Can't go real fast here. This bike ain't exactly a trail bike. It's a race bike, but I love trail riding, and that's what I got, so. Man, it is slick. I wish I had more friends to ride with and stuff, but you know, they're always busy and stuff. I'm busy too, so it's hard to make riding videos with the buds, especially with a lot of them going off to college. Whew. But I still have fun. Alright, we got a bigger hill there. I kind of like riding alone sometimes. Oh shit, we got a tree. Might have to turn around. See if I can make it over it. What do you guys think? Oh, we stalled her. Might as well just push her over it at this point. This thing weighs in at just 205 pounds. Ah, shit. So it's pretty easy to maneuver, really. Alright, we're in the clear. I guess the storm knocked that tree down. Shit. I can see all the grass and stuff on my bike from riding through that freshly cut hayfield. This trail ain't very big. It's my uncle's property. He owns like 40 acres. Those two fields and this trail. But, I mean, it's still a trail. It's still fun. What I want to do is find a good jump. I really ain't done too many jumps. And I want to start practicing that, make some jumping videos for you guys. So I ain't really been riding for real for a couple years, probably like 5 or 6 years, just because I grew out of my bike, never bought another one. Oh shit, this feels steep. I saw this bike for sale, and I was like, fuck man, I want a dirt bike. My buddy just got that Hawk. Oh shit. I didn't know nothing about them, about service them or anything. I was able to fully rebuild it thanks to a couple YouTube videos and a good manual. I don't even think we hit fifth there. Is that 4 or 5? You guys let me know, because I don't know. Let's head back to the house though. Let's go for a little ride in my backyard. So I might add the rebuild process to this video because I have some pictures. I might just make it a separate video, I'm not sure yet. Depends how long it is. But if you guys like this video, and you've made it this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm a small channel trying to start out. You know, I don't really care about getting big, but if I could just get a couple people to say, man, that's badass, that's enough for me. Swamp this. Third gear Wampage. That guy right there is who I bought the 125 from, actually. I know I shift early, but you know, I ain't trying to blow this thing up. How you guys say it's a two-stroke getting it blowed up? Well, I had completely roasted a piston on the highway, so that was probably my fault. So I had the video that actually I was going like full throttle for like, I don't know, half a mile straight, and it cooked the piston, man. It was roasted. So maybe I'll upload that video as like a short or something. This all shows up okay on the camera. My neighbor Subi gang, what up Nerman? He's got some cool trails in his backyard, but I ain't really allowed to go back there without him. You know anyone that wants to buy this RV 2016 Hurricane 45K, let me know. I'm trying to sell that puppy. in the backyard now. Looks like we see a wild bee just walking around here. Oh, beaches. Got his Rubicon out. Second gear pull up this hill. Doesn't even break a sweat, bro. Honestly, this thing's got more power than I could ever need. I'm barely in 5th gear, barely at the top of any gears. It's nice. It was a little scary at first, but now it's nice. Oh God, what is he doing? Another little wheelie here if we can. Oh, my back tire's just slipping like a bitch. I ain't got no traction for wheelies. Not today. I know a truck trail that we can go on back here. I've only been on it once, so, you know, I don't know how it's gonna go. But yeah, man, if you can snag one of these bikes, like any of the older Honda CRs, I think 2001's the best year, but like literally any of the older ones, man, and they fucking rip. They are a blast. They are cheap to maintain because they're 2-strokes. Got a tree here. I would definitely recommend it if you can get it for a good deal, even if you have to do a little work to it like I did. Because, you know, once you get them going, they're pretty dang reliable. But okay, so here's where it gets tough. I don't even know if I feel comfortable doing this. Send it right, no ripping, boys. Woo! Woohoo! Oh shit! Oh, we're losing it. Man, the torque in 1st gear is no joke. This ain't even really a trail. It's just like a hill in my backyard. But man, it's kind of rough, and it's all sloped down there. So I try to stay at the top of it. You know, whenever it's humid out, this thing does not want to idle even more. See, I'm just flipping the gas, holding in the clutch, so this baby don't die. Because if I quit giving it gas, it'll just die, like straight up. Alright, CR out here. So I'm gonna upload more videos of this bike, definitely, because it's my baby. Oh, mud pit! So, if you want to see more of this bike, or more of the CR125, or the Hawk, whatever, let me know, because I'm down to record some more videos. And if you got any recommendations on what camera I should get, you know, let me know too. So I was thinking just like a, I don't know, not like a brand new GoPro, because those are pretty expensive, but you know, newer than the very first one that I got whenever I was a kid. So yeah, we're back. Hope you guys liked the vid. Till next time, go ripping, boys.